Welcome to this moment, love. Tensi here, a Bufulu child, with a quick tutorial to show you how to get the most out of the at-home HIIT workouts in your membership. So I'm going to share my screen so you can see what I see, and let's get into it. So for the workouts, let's go to this section down here that is also green, and it says at-home workouts. Go ahead and tap on that. And then tap on here where it says move at home workouts, and it will open them up. And when you scroll up a little bit, you'll be able to see on desktop. On mobile, for everything, you'll scroll down because everything will be below this picture that you see right here. Okay, so right here, whenever you tap this blue button, you'll be able to go to the actual workouts. So here, this gives you a description about the workouts right here, so you have more context. You notice that there are 3 different levels, right? So it will give you an estimated time-wise how long each level might take you, how many rounds each level is going to be. Down here, it gives you some benefits, some more background information about why we chose HIIT workouts and why it's, called the most time efficient way to exercise. And then down here, this is super important. You gotta read this before you start with any of the workouts, because you want to make sure that you do this before you get onto the mat to ensure that you're getting the most out of the experience, that you're protecting yourself, you're not hurting yourself, and you are, doing everything that will be beneficial to you on your journey. So take some time, read through these tips. And you'll notice that when it comes to these workouts, we highly suggest that you take them in order. So there are 3 levels. You might have the urge to jump to level 2 or 3, but I would highly suggest, because these are intermediate workouts, right? So I highly suggest that you start with level 1. Okay, now with every workout, whenever you tap this expand button, or you can expand all if you want to, but I'm gonna just tap expand here. You'll be able to see all of the workouts going through different areas of the body, from core, upper body, lower body, full body, and repeat. So it tells you how long each workout is, so you can gauge how much time you have. Every workout in level 1 is less than 15 minutes. So let's try Abs Genius. So I'm gonna tap on Abs Genius. And the first thing that you're going to see is a prompt to scroll down and read the quick alignment tips and look at the move tutorials. But right here also, this is a quick sheet. So this is a sheet that tells you what level it is, how many rounds of the workout you do. So one round is going to be every movement that you see here. So leg lifts, crunches, 6 inches, mountain climbers, forearm plank is going to be 1 round. So you're going to do 2 rounds, it says, for this particular workout. Okay, so now whenever you're doing the workouts, you need to time yourself, because everything is based on how many seconds. So for example, for the leg lifts, you're going to do 30 seconds of leg lifts, and then you're going to have a 20-second rest where you're not doing the exercise before going on to the next movement. So that's where this timer comes in handy. You can press start and it'll start the timer for you. You can press stop, and then you can reset it for whenever you're ready for a rest period or for the next exercise. Now, when you scroll down a little bit more, you'll be able to see the tutorials. So these are animations of the exact movement, how it looks, what it looks like when you do it. And every time that you see these little bullets, these little bullet points right here, these are the quick alignment tips. So be sure, if you're not familiar with the exercise, if you haven't mastered it, check out these tips. And just as quick reminders also, we still check them out, So come back to these tips anytime. Every single exercise, they will have these tips along with the actual movement. And also, for some of the exercises, you'll also notice that there are going to be also modifications. So let's give an example for that. So I'm going to go to kicks and giggles. And when I scroll down, right here, you see that there's a modification for the lunge jumps. So if jumping is something that is a strain on your knees, this is a modification that you can see. Now, there are modifications for a lot of the exercises, but if for some reason you don't see a modification that you may need, feel free, just reach out to us and we can help you. So that's how that works in a nutshell. One thing to keep in mind is this down here. Every single workout has this finish strong section that points to the minute of power. So the minute of power is 1 minute where you express gratitude, connect with your heart, and you're breathing deeply. This allows you to get the most out of your workout, multiplying the effects, and it allows you to circulate your body and help with that rest and recovery period that's so important when it comes to workouts. So that is, in a nutshell, how to use the workouts. Anytime that you are ready to go to the next workout, you can tap this button at the bottom or at the top that says next lesson, and it will take you to the next workout. Otherwise, you can always come back to it straight from the members area right by tapping this blue button that says go to move HIIT workouts. Thank you for watching.